To delete blank rows in Excel, you have 4 methods to choose from depending on your data structure. The first method is Go to Special, which works for rows with any blank cells. Select your data range. On the Home tab, in the Editing group on the right, click Find and select. Click Go to Special. In the dialog box, click the Blanks option, then click OK. All the blank cells in your selected data are now highlighted. In the Cells section at the top, click Delete, then choose Delete Sheet Rows from the dropdown. Excel removes the empty rows and shifts everything up. The next method is the filter approach, which only removes completely blank rows. Select all columns in your data by dragging from column A across to your last column. Go to the Data tab and click the Filter button. You'll see filter buttons next to each column header. Click the Filter button in column A. Uncheck Select All to clear everything. Then put a check mark in blanks at the bottom and click OK. Repeat this for every column in your dataset. Once all your blank rows are visible, select all the blank rows. In the Home tab, click the drop-down arrow below Delete and select Delete Sheet Rows. Remove the filter by clicking the Filter button again in the Data tab. If you need something more precise, the third method uses a helper column with counta. Add a new column at the end of your data. In the first row of that column, type equals counta, open parenthesis, then highlight the cells in that row you want to count, and close with a close parenthesis, something like equals counta A, 2:D2. Click the cell with your formula and press Ctrl+C. Scroll to the end of your dataset, hold Shift and click the last cell in your helper column, then press Ctrl+V to paste. Apply a filter to the helper column, and filter for rows where the result is 0. If counta returns 0, the row is completely empty. Select and delete those rows, remove the filter, and delete the helper column. For small datasets, you can use manual selection. Click the row number on the left side of a blank row. To add more rows, hold down Control on Windows or Command on Mac and click More Row Numbers. When they're all highlighted, right-click any row number and choose Delete. If you accidentally delete something important, press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command-Z on Mac to undo it. Keep in mind that Method 1 deletes any row with a blank cell in it, so choose the method that matches your data structure.